Hello and welcome, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine for a moment the buzz of your retail floor on Black Friday. Now imagine an AI glitch pricing every item at 90% off. Unthinkable? Perhaps. But in the rush to adopt AI, too many overlook one sobering truth. An untested AI is a ticking time bomb. In retail, where one mishap can cascade into a social media firestorm, quality assurance in AI isn't a technical box to tick. It's a strategic necessity. We stand at the crossroads of innovation and risk. AI is fueling everything from personalized shopping to inventory forecasting. According to a Salesforce survey, 75% of SMBs are already experimenting with AI. But experimentation without vigilance is a gamble. As a consultant, I've walked through the aftermath of AI missteps. Believe me, the cost of unchecked AI isn't measured in just dollars. It's measured in lost trust and tarnished brands. Retail giants like Walmart and Amazon learned this early. They test every algorithm as if their reputation depends on it, because it does. In retail, we don't get the luxury of anonymity. If an AI recommendation engine subtly favors one demographic over another, it's not just a bug, it's a headline. Trust is the currency in this industry, and one biased algorithm can devalue it overnight. Forbes put it bluntly. Retailers want to maintain their brand reputation and avoid fines or regulation from AI conducting bad behavior in their name. In other words, if your AI goes rogue, you pay the price. In customer loyalty, legal bills, or both. You might recall the tale of Zillow Offers, a real estate titan brought to its knees by an algorithm that went haywire. That AI bought homes for way too much, leading to a $500 million loss and 2,000 layoffs. Now ask yourself, if a data-driven behemoth can falter, what about an SMB retailer with slimmer margins? Even giants can trip on untied shoelaces. Let's make sure your AI's laces are double knotted. Quality assurance in AI boils down to three pillars: accuracy, reliability, and fairness. Accuracy is non-negotiable. If your pricing AI can't tell a $30 item from a $300 item, we have a problem. Reliability means consistency. Your model's performance on a sleepy Tuesday should be as solid as on Black Friday chaos. If it fails, it should fail gracefully within expected bounds. No surprises. And fairness? That's our moral and business imperative. An AI that discriminates, even unintentionally, can alienate customers and invite regulatory scrutiny. Remember, biases in data will become biases at scale. For example, an AI could start favoring young, male, urban shoppers if trained on skewed data. In a diverse retail market, that's a recipe for backlash. Now, how do we ensure these models behave? We test them rigorously, ruthlessly, relentlessly. Not just once, but as a life cycle. Before deployment, you run it through a gauntlet. Feed it edge cases, throw curveballs. Does the AI recommend snow boots to someone shopping swimwear? Better it falters in testing than in production. We deliberately stress test these models with unusual scenarios to see where they break. As Google's engineers advise, we need guidelines to assess, ensure, and control the quality of ML solutions. In plain terms, QA at every step. We also perform bias audits. Dissect the outputs by customer segment. Is the AI offering the same quality of recommendations in downtown LA as it does in rural Iowa? If not, we retrain, rebalance, or rethink. Human oversight remains paramount. As much as I trust data, I trust our seasoned retail managers more when it comes to spotting an AI suggestion that just feels off. This is about doubting AI, and it is also partnering with AI. Just as a pilot trusts instruments but still looks out the cockpit window, we trust but verify our AI's every move. Quality assurance isn't a cost center, it's insurance for your AI investment. Done right, it saves you from costly mistakes and unlocks AI's true value. Reliable AI can boost sales with accurate personalization. Customers respond to recommendations that actually make sense. Fair AI broadens your market. Customers feel the difference when they're treated equitably, and 86% of consumers say retailers should work to make AI more inclusive. In a world where consumers are increasingly vocal, Being on the right side of fairness is not just ethical, it's profitable. Moreover, regulators are circling. The FTC warns that AI models can be riddled with bias and errors. The last thing you want is to be the example that leads the 6 o'clock news, or to have your AI practices dragged into a courtroom. A robust AI QA strategy is your shield against surprises. It identifies issues in advance, giving you control. As one report put it, carry out risk assessments to gauge potential AI failure consequences. In other words, foresee the pitfalls now, so you're not firefighting later. Don't let a careless algorithm undercut your hard-won brand loyalty. Ensuring AI quality is about prudence. The C-suite that gets this will sleep better at night, not because they trust their AI blindly, but because they've challenged it, tested it, and made it worthy of their trust. In the end, reliable AI becomes your competitive advantage, a tool that works for you and respects your customers. I'll leave you with this. Trust is earned, even for AI. Test your models, demand excellence, and you'll get the best of both worlds. Cutting-edge innovation with the safety net of knowing it works. That is how smart retail leaders turn AI into ROI. Thank you.